Sky Kim here with your Generation Iron News update. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson recently announced a brand new motivational alarm clock app called The Rock Clock. Its purpose? To help you wake up in the morning and whip your ass into gear. The Rock basically gets up at 4 a.m. regularly to maintain his insane jack lifestyle. But we all can't have an iron will like The Rock. That's why this app lets you set your goals and forces you to stick to them. There's no snooze button, so you can forget about slacking off. And the best part? There are 25 alarm ringtones, all customized by The Rock himself.
Good morning, sunshine. Yeah, that's what The Rock just said.
The Rock Clock is available on Android and iOS devices and is completely free. To get more updates, be sure to subscribe to Generation Iron on YouTube for all things bodybuilding. From GI News, I'm Sky Kim.